In this meditation, we are commanding your person to commit to being with you fully, living with you, and sharing a beautiful life together with you. The more you listen to this, the easier and more powerful it will become. Now close your eyes and let's begin. We are moving in together now with ease and certainty. Our shared home is becoming our reality today. We naturally choose a life together every day. We are creating a loving home filled with peace and happiness. Living together is the next natural step in our relationship. We are aligned in our desire to share our lives. Our home is filled with love, trust, and harmony. We enjoy building our future side by side. We are committed to growing together. We welcome our beautiful shared life now. Every day brings us closer to living together. We easily create a stable and loving home. Our relationship thrives in closeness and partnership. We make decisions that support our life together. Our connection grows stronger in every moment. We are building a joyful home together. Love guides us into deeper commitment. We communicate openly and create mutual understanding. Our shared future unfolds perfectly. We enjoy the comfort of being together daily. We are creating a home that reflects our love. We trust the process of building our life together. Our relationship is secure, loving, and committed. We are ready for this beautiful new chapter. Living together strengthens our bond. We attract experiences that support our shared happiness. Our home is a sanctuary of love and peace. We are fully aligned with a happy life together. We support each other's dreams and goals. Our commitment grows deeper every day. We are creating lasting memories in our shared home. Love flows effortlessly between us. We welcome stability, joy, and partnership into our lives. We are building a strong foundation for the future. Our shared life is filled with laughter and affection. We choose each other wholeheartedly. We enjoy the blessings of living together. We create a beautiful environment for our love to flourish. Our relationship naturally moves toward greater unity. We are grateful for the life we are creating together. We share a home filled with warmth and understanding. We are united in love, trust, and commitment. Our future together is bright and fulfilling. We experience harmony in our lives daily. We easily overcome challenges as a team. Our shared home radiates comfort and happiness. We are building a deeper connected life together. Every step we take strengthens our partnership. We welcome abundance into our shared life. We are creating the relationship we both desire. Our love is reflected in the home we share. We enjoy a balanced, supportive, and joyful partnership. We are living in alignment with our shared vision. Our home is filled with mutual respect and appreciation. We grow closer with every experience we share. We are creating a lifetime of love together. Our relationship is flourishing beautifully now. We confidently step into our shared future. We are living a beautiful life together starting now. We are happy, united, and thriving in our shared home. Type, we are living a beautiful life together starting now to affirm and claim. Listen to this meditation every day as much as possible. The more you listen to this, the faster it works. And if you need help manifesting your desired reality, if you would like someone to spoil you, if you would like someone to give you their undivided attention, if you would like to get your desired person back as soon as possible, let me help you by manifesting them for you. You can sign up for me to manifest for you today at joybyjanell.com or by clicking the link in the description box below. Thousands of people's lives have already been changed with my manifestations. It is literally a no-brainer to invest in yourself and in the love of your life. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you in the next meditation.